Hi, my name is Roland Maas and I am with ADB since 25 plus years. All this time I have taken up sales related functions, starting from sales, over marketing to product management, and today I'm responsible for the ERNI brand business within the ADB group. So the focus today will be on the sequence lighting flashing system from ERNI LED, which is called the SFL 800D. And the functions of this system are the sequence flashing lights and also the runway threshold identification light system. It is really an improvement that we are now working with LED. Working with LED means by the same time that we have a long lifetime of the light source, which is one of the most important features, but there's also others. The first feature is that we are controlling the system with only one control cabinet, which in fact can be installed in the substation rather than close to the light itself. We have a very easy way of cabling the whole system, and that we can even make use of an already existing cabling from a former system. So this makes that the cabling is very easy. Once we are out in the field, we have to derive the connection to each and every individual lamp unit. This field distribution units we have in the field then allows us also to bring down the voltage that we have at the level of the fittings to SELV levels, meaning that we have less than 50 volt on each of and every fitting. And that allows service people to service the fittings even on a live circuit, which is safety reasons an additional feature that we can bring. We also have a service software for a very easy configuration in the field of every unit. Each fitting has a maximum of something in the order of 30 watt, not more. So compared to a xenon flashing system, which we had before, there we had a load per light fitting of 280 watt, so that we also see that we can generate interesting energy savings. With xenon flashing lights, we have a very short pulse, but if we go to LED, we have a pulse of 50 milliseconds, which allows us to add up, in fact, the light intensities of 1, 2, even 3 fittings, and bring like that a much higher light output, especially seen from a long distance. So from far, the pilot will be able to better see the lights, and once he's approaching, he will not be glared, because there we are bringing back then the light level to normal proportions, so just to the light output of one single light. The first installations have been installed in Germany. We have installed them in Milano airport. We have some realizations in Austria. We have installed them in Kazakhstan, and more lately also in South Africa and even in Latin America, which is the latest order and which is going to Mexico City.